The 2026 Range Rover SUV represents the peak of modern luxury combined with legendary off-road ability. It offers a smooth and commanding presence with a design that balances elegance and strength. This new model brings updates in technology, comfort, and performance, making it ideal for drivers who want a premium experience both on city roads and rough terrains. The exterior features a clean and bold shape with flush-fitting details and a floating roof design. Signature LED lights at the front and rear give it a futuristic look. Inside, the cabin is wrapped in high-end materials, including soft-touch surfaces and wood accents. A large curved display sits at the center, supported by a fully digital driver's cluster and ambient lighting throughout. Seating options include spacious 5-seat and 7-seat layouts with executive comfort in the rear seats. Performance options include a mild hybrid inline-6 engine for balanced power and efficiency, a plug-in hybrid setup that combines strong acceleration with extended electric-only driving, and a powerful twin-turbo V8 in the high-performance variant. All models come with all-wheel drive, adjustable air suspension, and advanced drive modes for different surfaces. The 2026 Range Rover is available in a wide selection of colors like white, black, gray, blue, gold, and bronze. Buyers can also personalize their vehicle with unique finishes through special paint programs. Pricing starts around $104,000 for the base model with mild hybrid power. The plug-in hybrid begins near $135,000, while the top-spec V8 version is priced from about $180,000. An all-electric version is expected by the end of the year with a starting price around $140,000.